Welcome to this tutorial on the best Shopify dropshipping free email marketing apps for 2022. As a beginner, you will learn how to boost sales conversion using these apps. First, let's understand the importance of email marketing in dropshipping. Email marketing is a powerful tool that helps you stay in touch with your customers, build trust, and increase sales. It allows you to promote your products, offer discounts, and provide value to your customers, which can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. Now, let's explore some of the best Shopify dropshipping free email marketing apps. These apps include MailChimp, Omnisend, and Klaviyo. MailChimp is a popular email marketing app that offers a free plan with up to 2,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month. Omnisend is another great app that offers a free plan with up to 250 subscribers and unlimited emails. Klaviyo is also a popular app that offers a free plan with up to 250 subscribers and unlimited emails. To get started with these apps, you need to install them on your Shopify store. Once installed, you can start building your email list by adding a sign-up form to your store. You can also import your existing email list into the app. Next, you need to create email campaigns to send to your subscribers. These campaigns can include promotional emails, abandoned cart emails, and welcome emails. You can use the app's pre-designed templates to create professional-looking emails. To increase sales conversion, you need to personalize your emails and segment your list. Personalization involves addressing your customers by their names and offering them products based on their interests. Segmentation involves dividing your list into groups based on their behavior and preferences. Finally, let's talk about best practices for email marketing. First, make sure to send emails regularly to keep your customers engaged. Second, use attention-grabbing subject lines and compelling content to increase open rates. Third, use call-to-action buttons to encourage customers to take action. Fourth, track your email performance using analytics to see what works and what doesn't. In conclusion, email marketing is a powerful tool for Shopify dropshipping stores. By using the best free email marketing apps and following best practices, you can boost sales conversion and grow your business. Remember to personalize your emails, segment your list, and track your performance to get the best results.